diving into the fascinating world of one of nature's most skilled architects, the Baya Weaver. This tiny bird, often called the civil engineer of the avian world, is known for its extraordinary nest building abilities. Baya weavers are small sparrow-sized birds with bright yellow plumage, particularly in the males during the breeding season. These little birds are native to South and Southeast Asia, and they are most commonly found in open grasslands, agricultural fields, and areas near water. But what truly sets them apart is their ability to weave intricate nests. These nests are marvel of natural engineering, using grasses, leaves, and other plant materials. The male Baya Weaver weaves an elaborate and sturdy nest, usually hanging from tree branches. The structure is shaped like a hanging globe with a long narrow entrance that protects the eggs and chicks from predators. To capture the Baya Weaver in its natural habitat, I had to get a bit creative. Here I am going underwater in a rice crop field to get a close-up shot of these amazing birds in action. This might look a bit unconventional, but getting this perspective allows us to truly appreciate the complexity of their nest. You can see how the nest is anchored securely to the branches above, swaying gently in the breeze. The entrance tube leads to a well-hidden interior, providing safety and comfort for the bird's family. The Baya Weaver's nest building process is a display of patience, precision, and craftsmanship. It can take anywhere from 18 to 25 days for a male to complete a nest. Once finished, the male proudly displays his work to potential mate, hoping to attract a female who will inspect the nest for quality. Interestingly, the female has the final say. If she approves of the nest, she will settle in and the pair will raise their young together. If not, the male may have to start from scratch. So why are they called the civil engineers of the bird world? It's because their nests are not just homes, they are masterworks of design and function, showcasing nature's ability to inspire and innovate. These birds teach us that even the smallest creatures can accomplish extraordinary feats. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of Baya Weaver. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more incredible wildlife adventures. Until next time, keep exploring. Goodbye.